I make this broccoli bread at home every week. No oven, no kneading, and it is the most surprisingly delicious bread most people have never tried. Watch the full video, I'll reveal the name at the very end. Broccoli and bread? I know what you're thinking. But trust me, this is the softest, most flavorful, most beautiful bread you will ever make at home. No oven needed. All-purpose flour, instant yeast, warm water, salt, sugar, olive oil, fresh broccoli, garlic, cheddar cheese, colorful bread ingredients ever. Let me show you exactly how much you need. One loaf gives you 8 to 10 colorful slices, enough for 4 people easily. Chop broccoli into small pieces. Blanch in boiling water for 2 minutes. This keeps the color vibrant green. Drain, cool, pat dry. Mix with garlic and Italian seasoning. Warm water, yeast, sugar. 1 stir, 5 minutes until foamy. While broccoli rests, the yeast gets ready. Ready to go! Flour, salt, olive oil, yeast mixture. Stir, add broccoli, cheddar, Parmesan. Fold just 4 times. Cover and rest 45 minutes. Zero kneading. Shape gently, butter inside, then press extra broccoli florets and cheddar on top. This creates the most beautiful and colorful broccoli cheese crust. Rack inside a deep pot, broccoli loaf on top, lid sealed tight, medium-low heat. This pot is your stovetop oven for the most colorful bread ever. Medium-low heat, lid on 25 minutes, then lid off 5 more minutes. The broccoli on top crisps golden, and the cheddar melts perfectly. Hollow tap, perfectly done. Look at those colors. Vibrant green broccoli, golden cheddar, no oven, no kneading. This is beautiful. Garlic butter on the hot crust immediately. Glazes the broccoli, melts into the cheese, and makes this bread look absolutely spectacular. Broccoli and cheddar throughout every slice. Green, golden, soft, and absolutely incredible. Soft bread, cheesy cheddar, fresh broccoli in every bite. This is why I make this every single week. You will too. No oven, no kneading, broccoli bread. Colorful, cheesy, soft, absolutely incredible every single time. No oven, no knead, easy bread. All ingredients are in the description below. Check it once before you start. Subscribe now. Share with someone who loves easy homemade bread. And comment which recipe you want next. See you in the next one.